strains of Land and Hope of Glory, which has a rather special ring this year. It's a bright, sunny evening, although there is quite a chilly wind blowing from the tunnel end down the stadium. An enthusiastic welcome from the crowd, and in that crowd, it seems to me, are a very high number of youngsters waiting to be impressed. Don Reevy-Dean, the manager, making his way to the team bench, and his lineup tonight shows 5 changes from the side that played against Northern Ireland. That number of changes has really been par for the course, but his choice has a balanced look on paper. The defence is composed of players in their club positions. The midfield has a blend of the skills required there, and up front he's returned to the trio of Keegan, Shannon and Pearson, who played against Brazil and against Finland last summer. The Welsh line-up unchanged from last Saturday, with Leighton James having passed the fitness test. So it's the side that played and should have beaten Scotland. The referee tonight is John Gordon of Newport-on-Tay. England attacking the goal to our right. And an early ball given to him. Pete Sayer got the ball from Kennedy. Not the best of starts for England. Wales making their 13th attempt to win on this ground. The first match played between these two countries here was in 1952. The year indeed when Her Majesty the Queen came to the throne. Leighton James. The wind will push it in just a little bit. Here's Evans. Judged to have impeded the goalkeeper holding him down. Immediately in the action, Yorath. Shannon. And the free kick given against Yorath. The tackle while sitting it out. Blocking in front of Pearson. Greenough. And the free kick against Yorath, and a yellow card, I suspect. Caught Greenough stretching for a ball that he had no real chance of making. Pearson. Shannon. Still Shannon. Here's Keegan. Three frontmen working together really for the first time in 3 passes. Kennedy! It's side netting. Kevin Keegan's cross. There was a man at the back. Look at the bunch there in the middle. And here's Kennedy. Hit it first time with the right. Yorath. Nice weight. Clearance under a little bit of pressure. James. Sayers up ahead, give it to him. Here he is. He's got a man unmarked. Here's DC. Yorath. What had happened on Saturday, the best chance fell to Nick DC. Player plays for PSV Eindhoven. Beautifully flicked up to Sayer. He had the moment but took too long. He just got a nick then off Watson, and that was enough. Had to turn, and Yorath shot well wide. They're now playing the time that the referee dropped off for the injuries of the half. Here's Yorath. Evans waiting up in the box. Hughes, let it go! James is behind him. a penalty has been given. Look at it again. Hughes let it go. James got behind him. And no doubt about it that Shilton, carrying through, brought down James. So Leighton James with a chance to put the Welsh in front. And that's his 7th goal for his country. Clean as a whistle in the corner. Welsh flags in evidence. James the scorer, the mistake by Emlyn Hughes. Didn't realise that James is behind him. Here's Keegan. And the corner. Here's Brooking. Watson. Yorath. Jones. Joey Jones and Evans have really played well at the back in this first half. Here's James. DC breaking away to the right. James holding a long time. And not for the benefit of his side. Blows the last whistle of the half, and Wales leading by a goal to nothing, reminiscent of the World Cup match when Wales also led at half. No time to be wasted. Keegan. Here's Shannon. Still Shannon. Oh, fine save. Really good save by Dai Davis. It will be a Welsh night, but I don't think that one should immediately say that it's sackcloth and ashes for England. Wales have proved the advantage of having a settled side, and that is what England have got to find, and maybe what Don Reeve, the manager, has taken too long to find. Here's Shannon. Joey Jones beaten by Keegan. Joey Jones, it would really complete the history if he was to score, because Bryn Jones scored in 1936, the winner. Cliff Jones scored in 1955, the winner. This time we've gone from Jones to James, but Joey Jones has played his part. We've already played 2 minutes over the 90 minutes, or at least the referee stopped his watch for 2 minutes. I said I'm not every referee in the country writing to me. Mills with the kick. Keegan. Shannon. DC. James. Referee has checked with both linesmen. On for Pearson. It's a throw. And a Welsh throw. And would you believe that Yorath is going 25 yards, or perhaps that's a slight exaggeration, 20 yards to go and take it? Must make it even worse for Don Revie, that. And Wales have done it! At their 13th attempt, they